11. So in this 11 number sheet, what is important is that this the counter function and the count function. Counter function and count function. What counter function do? It counts cell where any character exists, and the count, it counts cell if there is any numeric value exist. For example, if I look at this table, and here is the formula, the counter is counting only 2 because these two cell has got value. And if we see this, look at this, the counter is counting 3. Counter actually count the cell which has got value no matter character or numeric. Opposite to the counter, the count function, for example, look at this, count only those cells which has got a numeric value. It has got 2, here is 3. If I again insert fail here, look at this, value will change to 3 and this value will not changing. Look at this, it is changed to 3 and it is the same as 3. It was used to 3. If I delete this, it is 2 and it is 3. Now I hope guys you understand this, that what is counter and what is count function do. The next sheet is a big sheet. It is a convert function of Microsoft Excel. In this sheet you can see that here is the miles, and the convert function formula is convert 100 miles to kilometer. 100 mile makes how many kilometers? It make 160 kilometer. The same way, here is the formula, 1 cup make how many tablespoon? 8. This is 1 cup converted to tablespoon, so it makes 16 tablespoon. So this way, the whole sheet is designed. These are the actually the name which Microsoft Access recognize in its conversion formula. For example, if I say to Microsoft Excel to equal to, I use a formula convert, look at this number, I said 100 comma 100 comma I want kilometer, I want km. Can I find it here? It's a long list. km. Did you guys see km? So if I cannot find it, I will write it manually. But remember that all of these ready-made phrase we have to write it in a small character. Let me write it like this, km comma enter. Yes, will you, this got double, make it single, comma, and here km. We have to remove this double quotation, making problem. Again it is 100,000 meter. 100 kilometer equal to 100,000 meter. So these are the special codes which is Microsoft Excel recognized for its conversion. Now look at this. This chart is talking with you about the teaspoon. For example, this teaspoon and this teaspoon equal to 1. It says convert 1 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. Well, how many teaspoon it will make? It will make 1 teaspoon. Now what is this second row says? Convert 1 tablespoon to teaspoon. How many teaspoon it will make? 3 teaspoon. The same way ounce. What is ounce? Look at this. To convert 1 ounce to teaspoon, it makes 6. The same is the whole sheet. Convert 1 cup to teaspoon, 48 teaspoon. Convert 1 US point to teaspoon, 96 teaspoon will require to get the quantity of US pint. And UK pint, look at the UK pint. This was US pint, sorry. UK pint, how many teaspoon required? 192 teaspoon required. UK quart, a quart required 230 teaspoon. Gallon required, look at this, required a gallon. If we convert a gallon to a teaspoon, it will be 768 teaspoon. UK gallon 922 teaspoon. Liter 202 teaspoon. Barrel 32,256 teaspoon. Cubic feet to teaspoon 5,745. It will fill the cubic feet volume, and here it will fill the cubic inch in 3.32 teaspoon. The same cubic meter, it will require 2,884.14 teaspoon. So this column is giving the conversion of teaspoon, and this column is giving the conversion of tablespoon to all these measurement. Look at this. How many tablespoon will be required for a teaspoon? 0.33 tablespoon. If we convert 1 tablespoon to teaspoon, if we convert 1 teaspoon to the tablespoon, it will be 0.33. If we convert 1 tablespoon to the tablespoon, it will be 1 tablespoon. If we convert 1 ounce to the tablespoon, it will be 2 tablespoons. Same if we convert 1 cup to the tablespoon, it will be 16 tablespoons. If we convert 1 US pint to the tablespoon, it will be 32 tablespoons. Here is the flood ounce. In this we can see ounce. Here is ounce. How many tablespoons required in 1 ounce? 0.17. How many teaspoon required? 0.17. How many tablespoons required? 0.50. Ounce equal to 1. Cup, we need 8 cups to get the quantity of 1 ounce. We need 16 US pint to get the quantity of 1 ounce. So this column is giving you this conversion. Cup, look at this conversion of cup. The same way US pint, the same way UK pint, UK quart, material quart, gallon, imperial, and liter. And here is the US oil barrel. This is the conversion actually. I hope you guys understand this. This is the new Microsoft Excel training that I have started, Yeah, guys, you can benefit from it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you are requested and again requested to subscribe my channel. Thank you for guys, thank you watching for guys, thank you, take care, Allah Hafiz.